I am a visual artist. I call my art practice earth maintenance art. Creation is happening every moment. I was born on a farm in southern Saskatchewan, prairie land. Well, I feel my journey started as a young child when my mother gave me crayons, wax crayons, which I still work in to this day. A very favorite medium because it was my very first. The smell of wax crayons just fills me with a peace. I might think I'm going out to work with something when I'm in my work mode, but I might bypass what I thought I was going to go and use as my material because I feel a pull, a magnetizing pull to something different than I expected. Or maybe it is the same as I expected too. I'm not always guessing. Sometimes I do have a state of knowing, and I think that's my intuition. That's where I experienced the most fear in my life is having the courage to create something. It's quite daunting, I find. I try to work every day, and if I'm not working, I'm thinking. And that's important. It underlines my life, so I do have fear of not doing that, even of waking up and oh my gosh, now what? I'm not in that state of ready to make. There is also a continuity to me, and it's that discovering that ancient but present today wisdom that draws me into working with nature and using the symbology of my ancestors to try and explore my memories, my cellular memories, I guess those would be. The mindset is the methodology of the marvelous. It's being open to whatever you find. I want to create beauty as opposed to ugly. And for me, I see beauty in everything that there is, really. Being involved in that act of creation is another way of grounding me in my reality. I never know when a work is finished. I'm sure that's the way for every artist. And by having my work around, I'm able to keep going with it, change it. I've been working on some pieces for 20 years, but you wouldn't know they were the same piece because I'll totally change it and it'll become something different. Any advice I'd have to aspiring artists would be to keep working and to not think about it, yet think about it.